Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about diving into the world of crypto trading or investing, today's video is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to register your CEX.io account in 2025 quickly, safely, and without missing any important details. So if you want to start your crypto journey the right way, make sure you stick with me till the very end, because I've got some essential tips that beginners usually overlook. First things first, open your browser and go to the official CEX.io website. Always make sure you're on the authentic site. Look for the secure HTTPS and the official domain to avoid any phishing traps. Click on Sign Up. Once you're on the homepage, hit the Sign Up button at the top right corner. You'll be asked to provide your email address, create a strong password, and select your country of residence. Pro tip, use a password that combines uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. Verify your email. After submitting your details, CEX.io will send you a confirmation email. Open it up and click the verification link to activate your account. This step ensures your email is valid and ready for account recovery if needed. Complete identity verification, KYC. Next up is KYC violations and to unlock full trading and withdrawal features. Log into your account and go to the verification section. Provide your personal details such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Upload a government-issued ID, passport, driver's license, or national ID card, and take a quick selfie for identity confirmation. Verification usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the queue. Set up extra security. Now that your account is active, make sure it's secure. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, using Google Authenticator or SMS. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Explore account settings. Before making deposits, go to your account dashboard and get familiar with settings like deposit methods, withdrawal limits, and security preferences. You can deposit using cards, bank transfers, or crypto, depending on your region. Start trading or investing. Once verified and secured, you're ready to trade, buy, or hold your favorite. Start small if you're new, and always follow proper risk management. And that's it. You've successfully registered your CEX.io account in 2025. Now you're all set to explore the world of crypto trading with confidence. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more simple crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.